how to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. Hello everybody, here's how you can do it, so you may follow up this method for that. First of all, just go ahead and open up CapCut and you can tap on new project and select a bunch of pictures from your devices first. So you may just go ahead and select bunch of pictures. After that, tap on the next in the bottom right corner, add, and tap on it. For example, I have selected these pictures, so all you gotta do is simply select it up, and like this you can place it. So I can just go ahead and stretch it out according to your preference. So if you want to make a 15-second video, you can place pictures up to that, and you can even resize it like this and increase the timeline of that particular picture. So once the picture is added, in order to just go ahead and add up a music, you should be finding an add audio in the bottom of your screen. Below, just go ahead and tap on audio. And once you tap on audio, you can select up music from either CapCut itself, or you can even export an audio from your device's audio as well. For now, let me just go ahead and select up audio from this CapCut itself. So go to sounds for that. And then once you go ahead and click on sounds, you may just go ahead and select up a music that you prefer. For example, this right here. So you can just download the option, click on download option and tap on plus. And then add up the music like this, and you can just go ahead and cut out the latest part. Like you can cut out the rest of the part by splitting and clicking on delete. Now once this is done, you can find the music being added to your picture, so you can just go ahead and scroll it like this. And once you are done editing the video, you can just go ahead and click on the export option at the top right corner and go ahead and export the video, and that should do it. So this is the method you can follow up in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.